Welcome to another presentation from Mikrofill's How-To series. This short instructional video shows you how to use Mikrofill's online vessel calculator. You can access this via Mikrofill's website homepage or as a free downloadable app on Android or Apple. Step 1. Click onto Height of System and input the figure, or alternatively use the sliding scale on the right-hand side of the page. Step 2. Click onto Max Working Temperature and input the figure, or again use the sliding scale. Step 3. Click onto Final Working Pressure and input the figure, or again use the sliding scale. Step 4. Click onto Water Content and input the figure. If you're uncertain of this, you might like to use around 10 litres per kilowatt. For example, 130 kilowatts equals 1,300 litres of water content. Step 5. Click onto Vessel Size. This number is the minimum vessel size required based on the information you have provided. Step 6. If required, click onto Request Quotation and input your company and project details as instructed. Then click on Send Quotation Request to Mikrofill to submit your application, and a suitable quotation will follow. I hope you found this short presentation useful, and we look forward to receiving your inquiries.